Welcome to Tech. In this video I will discuss that how to turn on sleep mode on Samsung. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, open settings. Here you can see modes and routines option. So you can see different modes, but on top you can see sleep mode. Click on it. You can see the preview of the sleep mode. So click on turn on. So your mode is turned on now. So choose what this mode does. Stay focused, do not disturb on. It means no one can disturb you when you turn on sleep mode. So discover more actions for sleep mode using easy setup. Click on OK. Start. So you can see that I set 9 hours sleep time. You can choose according to your choice. You can schedule for weekdays. You can put alarm sounds, vibration, snooze time, and then click on next. So here you can see that do not disturb mode. It means that do not disturb mode mutes all calls, notifications, and other alerts except for those you choose to allow. So you can choose some numbers, some emergency numbers, your family numbers. So from here you can choose contacts that can call you at night even in sleep time. So then click on done. Next, choose what to do in sleep mode. You can select any option. I will select eye comfort shield. So in this way you can turn on sleep mode on Samsung phone. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.